Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken with Kraken rod. First, you'll want to familiarize yourself with your Kraken rod's special abilities, like its high luck and resilience, which are crucial for catching rare creatures. Next, identify the deep-sea locations known for Kraken sightings. Finally, gather all necessary items, including specialized bait and any helpful fishing buffs, to maximize your chances. Your Kraken rod is your primary tool, offering superior stats like increased luck and control, making it ideal for this challenge. Pair it with legendary bait, which is specifically designed to lure the Kraken from the depths. Don't forget to use any available fishing luck scrolls or temporary buffs. A 30% luck boost can make a significant difference. When casting, aim for deep, open waters or specific event areas where Krakens are known to appear. Pay close attention to your bobber for a unique, aggressive bite pattern that signals a Kraken. During the reeling minigame, manage your line tension by periodically releasing the right stick for about half a second every 3 seconds to prevent snapping, especially with large fish. To further increase your success, try fishing during in-game nighttime or during special events, as Krakens often prefer these conditions. Remember, catching a legendary creature like the Kraken can take many tries, so persistence is key. Consider teaming up with friends or using a fishing streak bonus, which can provide up to a 50% luck increase after 200 successful catches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.